It's been several months since the Chatgpt killer Google Bard has been launched, but we are still not able to access it and use it. Why? Because it's currently in experimental stage and it has only been launched in two countries, that are United States and United Kingdom, and it cannot be accessed outside those countries. But in this video you'll learn how to access the Google Bard outside the US and United Kingdom. The first step is get a PC or laptop or mobile and open Firefox, Google Chrome, any web browser. Here Firefox has been opened, and press Ctrl Shift P if you're in the Firefox and Ctrl Shift N if you're in Google Chrome. Search for bad.google.com and hit enter. Here's, as you can see, the logo, it says it all, Bad Experiment, and on the right corner it says sign in, and on the bottom corner it says join waitlist. So let me sign in and let me show you what's the error, what's stopping me from accessing the Google Bard. Just quickly sign in. It doesn't matter if it's your actual account or if it's a dummy account, just sign in. So I have logged in using my Google account. As you can see, there's a D logo, and as you can read, okay, ignore this error. As you can read, there's Bard isn't currently supported in your country. Stay tuned. What this means is that Bard is not launched in your country. In my case, it's India. Now what you need to do is get a VPN. I'm using the Firefox add-on Browsec, and I'll click on Start VPN, and as you can see, I'm connected to United States. So you can use any VPN, doesn't matter if it's even Proton VPN or NordVPN, doesn't matter. Just go to, after applying VPN and connecting to United States, go to bad.google.com. Remember that you should be connected with United States or United Kingdom, not any other country, otherwise it won't work. Now click on sign in and log in again. I have once again logged into my account, and as you can see, there's a D on the thumbnail. And what you need to do, now you can see that there's no more Bard is not available in your country or region. Stay tuned. So you need to click on join waitlist. Right now access to Bard is limited. Okay, you can just ignore this all or you can read it all, and the checkbox, it's your option. If you want to get any notifications from Google, I want to get notifications, so I'm checking it, and as you can see, you've been added to the waitlist. Thanks for your interest in Bard. We'll email you when it's your turn. So basically they'll email you when they have processed you into the waitlist and when you are eligible to access Google Bard. So here I got the email that you have been added to the waitlist. Okay, you'll receive another email when you are ready to test Bard. Okay, we'll have to wait for another email. It's been around 3 minutes and I got the email which says it's your turn to try Bard, which means that we can now use Google Bard. But before trying to access it, just hear me out. Just see what I do. You need to click on this link and it will automatically redirect you to bard.google.com. And why? What happened? Bard isn't currently supported in your country. Stay tuned. Why do we get this error again? So you need to use VPN every time to use Google Bard. I am not connected to the VPN right now, but just wait a second, hold on a second. Let me connect to the United States VPN and let's reload the page. I am now connected to the VPN and I should see the interface of the Google Bard, the chat, and here we are. As you can see, I'm Bard, your creative and helpful creator. I have limitations and won't always get the right answer, but your feedback will help me improve. And the JavaScript is stuck, I don't know. Okay, it's back. Now it's all right. And as you can see that you will now be able to access Google Bard using VPN.